Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Do this now. Make sure your display or dongle is updated and set to discovery mode so it can accept a cast. Once done, connect your phone or laptop to the same Wi-Fi network as the receiver. This is essential for discovery. Now open the casting feature on your source device. Look for cast, screen mirroring, or wireless display, and start scanning. You want the receiver visible in the list before moving forward. You now initiate the actual connection. Select the receiver you saw earlier. From Android Quick Settings, Chrome's menu, or Windows Action Center, choose Cast or Project, then pick the receiver by name. If a PIN or approval prompt appears on the screen, accept it immediately so pairing completes. Once connected, make sure you configure resolution and orientation in the casting options. This ensures clear video and proper framing. Keep an eye on late. You finish by verifying audio and video are routed to the display. Switch the source audio output if sound remains on your device. If the cast fails, reboot the sender, receiver, and router in that order. Wait 30 seconds between reboots to clear caches. One key troubleshooting tip: if discovery keeps failing, move potential interferers away and force both devices onto the 5 GHz band where available, because that reduces packet loss and improves stability during casting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.